So guys, welcome. It's another weekly update here, episode 90, I think 93. Yeah, 93. If I'm mistaken, probably you see the episode here right now. So this week we are making a souvenir bag. Uh we have one we'll be making for this week. It's only me that is here now. Other students are not here, the workers are not here. So I'm the only one here, and I'm going to make this in 2 weeks. We have two different souvenirs, but right now I will be showing you. As you can see, I've started cutting the rope as early as possible, and we have some tapita there that is going to be mixed with the material. But why it's going to take me 2 weeks is we order some leather I will be using from Lagos is not here, and this is Wednesday already. So probably I'm going to finish one part of it this week, then the other part will be next week before sending it to the client that owns the bag. So guys, welcome to another week. Probably I'm going to do a time lapse to show you how the process is going, everything. I will try my best to do that and show you the time lapse, and later on, maybe at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about how you can make this particular souvenir, how you can charge it, and what you need to buy, how you to calculate to know exact material you are going to need. I've done this in the past, so probably I might still do it again. So that's just it. For those of you who are new to the channel, you can consider subscribing. Now when you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Give this video a giant thumbs up, and I will see you at the other side. Guys, welcome back to the continuation. As you can see, I just finished burning all this one. I even have to stain it because I'm doing it the local way. The candle I was using inside here has almost finished burning, and I have to. So you even see I stained most of this rope. So I have burned this one, then the orange I've burned it. Then I'm left with this 50, 100 and 100. Those one are 100. This is 100. Then I have another one there for the souvenir I'll be making. This is the design of the souvenir. It's two type of souvenir. This is this one. So the tiny rope I show you is this one that is going to be at the front. So once we start, you are going to be aware. Then this particular one, the one we are making, the other one as well. But the material is still not here, the leather are not here. We just have to wait. And also I cut the magic gun. I have finished cutting everything, the pieces. I cut 100 pieces. I think this should be 80, and this particular one here are 20. So since I'm the only one, I'm just trying to work out with everything and plan it accordingly, so it will not be stressful for me. If we are much here, we can just do it the way we want, since we can just send each other and go about and do whatever we want. But since it's only me, it has to be organized and arranged so I can continue the work. So guys, I'm going to stop talking now and record time lapse so you guys will see the rest of the process. So thank you guys for watching. And for those of you who are interested on the online training, the online training is pretty much available. It's for you to apply for the online training or you buy the package. So as I have explained in the previous video, but later on I'm going to take my time to talk more on it, to share more light on the online training. And for the physical training, if you are in Abuja, if you are in Suleja, if you are in Nasarawa, you can also apply for the physical training. We are fully open and we are taking students. So that will be it for now. So for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below for me, and I will try my best to answer all your questions. If you have any business for me, or if there's anything you need to ask personally, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can go there and talk to me. If you want a consultant for your bag making business, if you just want to start and you are looking for someone to put you through, I do that as well with just a chickeny change at affordable price, pocket friendly. We are going to do that for you. So guys, enough talking. Let me proceed with my work, and you shall see the time lapse as we proceed. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. So as you can see, the last time I was vlogging, I've shown you I've cut this and I burn everything from the time lapse you see. So this is the one I was cutting about yesterday or a few days ago when the camera just went off. So I have finished cutting this. This is the rest here. So the thing now is right now I was unable to do the time lapse, but right now the material we order for, I've been waiting for, just arrived. I'm going to the logistic company to collect it. So probably if I get there, if I'm able to just do a tiny short clips or the picture, I will just show you guys before we start cutting. But I hope I'm able to do that because it's already getting late. Since morning we didn't do anything. What I just did is I just reeled down most of this thread I will be using to make the bag for the particular purple. But whichever way it goes, I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, this is the fabrics. It's just like in form of a rope. So now it's already dark. I'm going to start cutting and do whatever I want to do. So probably tomorrow I'll show you the update so far. So good morning guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. So you have seen the material I showed you before we lose it. That was last night when we get the material, but we started working last night, but I was unable to film because we didn't do that at the shop here. We take it to a different place where we can work at night. We did some work at night, so probably this morning we'll be bringing it here to show you guys before we start. So this is the texture of the other material. This is off cut, but we are going to use it. I bring this to the shop to keep. Then this is another shade of material we use. Then we have another shade in the dustbin, but when it's come, you are going to see that particular one you see, that's another shade. But what brings me to the shop right now is when I was cutting it, I did mistake. When I place it on each other, I did mistake. So I think I was cutting 3-3. I was putting 3-3 layers so it will be fast with a bigger scissors to cut. So this one is the fourth one at the bottom. I don't know how it happens. It happened the first time and I was careful, and it still happened the second time again. That's the reason why I have two here. So I'm here to just patch it up before we continue. By the way, this particular one, we are finished cutting them. We are just indicating where we are going to fix the hand right now. So this one at the side, I'm going to also cut the side here at the shop. So before I finish, they would have been done with the one they are marking there. So we'll bring it here and continue with the work. As you can see how beautiful everything is, and I think I'm going to use this as a thumbnails. So guys, enough talking. Something I need to say again. Yesterday I was unable to film when I get the material from the logistic company. You know, sometimes I always promise you things, but things come up. When I even get there, I even sometimes forget to go with my camera or bring out my camera, or even if I want to use my phone, I would have forget to do that. So, and among what we order for, there's this particular bridge we order for again. So these are the bridge we order for, as you can see. This is the bridge. This is two. They just use this particular knot to hold it at the center. As you can see, this is the knot we use it to tie it, and this is the washer at the bottom. And also I wanted to buy a chain from a different vendor, but at the end of the day, when they send me the picture of the chain and the measurement, I discovered that it's going to be different to the one we use here. So I just decided to just get a yard to compare it with the one here, because I don't want a situation whereby I will order and return it back again. So the way bill fee is going to be much. I just decided to buy 1 yard, and I was happy I did that. I would have wasted my money. This is the one we used to use. You see how thick it is. Compare this one they sent to me, close to it, and this one they sent to me, it's look and feel very cheap, while this one feel authentic and original. And you can even see the gold. The shade of the gold is different to this particular one. Let me put it side to side so you see it. You see there's much different. This is a different shade of gold, why this is a different shade of gold. So that's just it, guys. Right now I'm going to just film some time lapse, me cutting those particular one there. So once I finish, then we continue with the bag. But I don't know, seriously, if we are able to make more bag this week, we'll just try our best to finish a little bit we can, then we'll finish this weekly update, then next week we'll proceed with the rest of it. I don't know the way the work is going now. I don't know if 2 weeks is even enough to make this bag, if it will not get up to 3 weeks, because now there are some things I need to do in next week again, plan out about 3 days, and it's not possible for me to use 2 days or 4 days to work in that week. So enough talking, guys, watch the time lapse right now. So this particular one I was talking about earlier that I want to join, I finished joining it. I also make one of the souvenir and see how it's going to look. So this is exactly what we are making today at this shop. So stay tuned as we proceed with the rest of the activities. By the way, I'm going to cut that, but you see the time lapse. Whichever way we stop today, I'm going to just do it. If it's today or tomorrow, then I finish the weekly updates, then we'll proceed with the next one. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love this particular bag, and for the clients, we really appreciate you for trusting us with your work. Thank you so much. So guys, before I started, after I show you this, I say I'm going to start the time lapse, but I waited. I go back to pick all of this. This is the blue I was talking about. I won't say this is blue, but you see the way it's showing on the camera. Then this particular one, I want to start it actually. So this is the mark we are trying to make then for where the handles are going to stay, and we are done with that. So right now I want to start this myself. So whichever way it goes, I'm ready to start the time lapse now. So you guys should stay tuned and watch. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the continuation. So guys, I just finished doing this one. It's still remaining a lot. I think I just make 50. This particular one, the hand I cut, I separate them in 100. So I think this is, if I'm going to calculate, this is 100, those one and the one here are 100 because the hand is finished, and the one on the machine. So I think this is another 100 joined together with this. I'm going to start fixing the hand as well. So whichever way it goes, the problem is I want to try my best to fix this hand. Once I fix this hand, I will see how many I can make today, if it's just 5 or 10 or any amount I'm going to make. Then later on I'm going to show you guys, so you guys will be aware and see the particular things we are going to do, because I have to round up this video tomorrow morning so I can edit it and upload. So as we work, we also make weekly updates. We work in direction with that and know what we need to film and every other thing. So guys, enough talking, let me proceed with the rest of the work. So good morning, welcome to the continuation of the weekly updates. What we did yesterday, I did some work. I did not get to later film the time lapse and the rest of the video, but right now I'm going to show you the progress so far. So right now this morning I'm at the shop. If you can see up here, you see the ones I was fixing the hand yesterday. I finished fixing everything. Those, they are the one up there. This one, 2, 3, and we have another one here as well. This is some here. So I finished fixing them. Today now we'll start fixing the side. Then I have one with me here. This one are the one we'll be making next week. So probably let me turn the camera and show you more, so you guys will see it better. So guys, as I was saying, I'm going to start right now. This is the one I will make few. Anyone able to make in this video. So the rest you will just see it in next week update after we have finished it. Those are the one up there, the blue one, which is this particular one I showed you guys yesterday. You see, I finished fixing all the hand. It's just for me now to fix the side to it, and those are the side. Then the other one which we will be fixing this to, that will be in next week update. But I'm going to do a little bit of time lapse of this, so you guys will see what we are making and how it's going. So that's the update so far. Thank you guys for watching. And for those of you, if you want this souvenir, it is pretty much available. We make it and we ship near worldwide, no matter where you are. Even if you are not from Nigeria, if you are anywhere in the world, you can make your souvenir bag and send it to you. And if you also want to learn how to make this, you can talk to me. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. Any other bag you see on this channel as well, if you want to learn how to make it or you want us to make for you, the link will be in the description, as this is what we do for a living. So give this video a giant thumbs up. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you get updated on everything we are doing so far in the shop. And for tutorial, we'll be making some lesson, we'll be teaching you on bag making on this channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, and see you guys at the other side. So this is what we're able to do so far. It's actually much, and the rest there. Then we've started this one inside, as you can see, those one inside. But this is where we're going to be ending this week update. So probably next week we'll be talking more about it all. I will show you how it's going next week. Now I think inside 200, I think we've made 50 something, if I'm not mistaken, both together with this and the other one. I say I'm going to finish this, so I get someone to help me out to continue. So I'm doing this and they are working on that one, so probably I'm faster. Once I'm done with this particular one, I will join them to finish those one. So this particular color is showing blue. Why is green not blue? Or it's showing blue on the camera. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you at the continuation of the weekly updates. Bye for now.